All right, yes, you made it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome, welcome, welcome. On behalf of Taiwan Excellence, this is Andy Lee at your service as the MC for this webinar. This is Exceed Excellence with Taiwan Plastic Machines. And this is a webinar held in conjunction with TaipeiPLAS 2022, the biggest showcase of plastic machineries here in Taiwan, the biggest exhibition, I tell you. Okay, and today I'll be talking about 4 wonderful booths. These are iconic booths. They are Chum Power, FCS, Polystar, and Yoke. They'll be talking about their wonderful solutions, wonderful services, total solutions, total services, all for you, ladies and gentlemen. Now, before we actually get started, I would like to first introduce our director of TAMI, T-A-M-I, Taiwan Association for Machinery Industry. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Director, Mr. Larry Wei.
Friends from the media and industry, good day. I'm Larry Wei. On behalf of Taiwan Association of Machinery Industry, TAMI, I'm glad to take the invitation from Taiwan Excellence and have a remark here. As one of the world's top 6 plastic machine exporters, Taiwanese machinery industry is well known for its top quality, advanced technology, and the complete after-sales service. For supporting sustainable development and the green world, our company keeps developing new technology, not only to let machines have better production performance with less power and force, but also help customers get high-quality products and eco-friendly materials and recycled materials. Smart control solutions have also been imported to ensure smooth production, reduce waste of material, power, and fluids. Our insistence and efforts on ESG have gradually been recognized by global manufacturers, and therefore we believe Taiwan can be the best partner for those who intend to create eco-friendly production lines. In the webinar, we have 4 plastic machines and accessories brands: Chum Power, FCS, Polystar, and Yoke, which have won the Taiwan Excellence Award, the top honor of Taiwan-made production in R&D, design, quality, and innovation. I'm also invite you to visit TaipeiPLAS online by scanning the QR code on the screen, where you can gain a deeper understanding of our advanced plastic machines and components and how they can help you to reach your business goal. Last but not the least, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to you and all for joining our webinar today. I wish the event great success and the best of health and prosperous business to everyone. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, Director Mr. Larry Wei. Now let's get started. Booth number 1, Chum Power. You can't wait? I can't wait. Let's go. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We're here at Chum Power. This is Taiwan's largest PET blow molding machine brand. And their solution is the bottle molding solution, which uses recycled PET. We have right here Tony. Tony, hi.
Hi, Andy. Very nice to meet you.
Same here, same here. Tony, now we know everybody's talking about ESG, environmental, sustainability, and governance. And here in Taiwan, Taiwan's Environmental Protection Administration, Taiwan's EPA, I think you know that. They have a new mandate.
Right.
Packaging, we must use at least 25% recycled PET. How can you help our clients achieve this?
Well, okay, thanks for asking. First of all, as you can see right here, our machines can use PET resin, this recycled PET resin that's made out of 100% RPET right there.
You call that PET raisin.
Right, a pallet,
Wow.
a pallet, right.
Pellets.
So that's the raw material for these machines actually.
I see.
So first of all, that pallet is already a recycled material.
Right.
So if for a specific company who's looking at perhaps 20% to 30% mixture of the rPET with the virgin material, they could just simply mix the percentage as they want. So right now, this machine is using 100% rPET.
I see.
So we already achieved that goal or even surpassed it. So our machine can help our customer to reach that target. So it's pretty much depend on what the percentage they're looking for.
Okay, so you could do more than 25%.
Of course, yes.
PET recycling.
Right.
Okay.
So,
and this is something to show us?
Okay. Before I go into that, then maybe perhaps I'll go through the machine first.
Why not?
Right.
Let's do that.
First of all, as I pointed out earlier, right, that machine started with the resin material as a
PET
raw
pellets.
material. Right, a pellet. It goes into a screw, a barrel, which will be heated, and it become a molten material.
Ooh.
Right, and once that, so pretty much it turns from a solid into a liquid phase.
Right.
Okay, so now we melt the rPET
Solid,
already.
molten liquid phase.
Right, it could go through an injection phase, so that the molten material is injected into a mold, and we end up making a preform first.
Right.
So that preform was made first, and then before it was fully cooled, it was turned to another station and blow into a bottle.
It becomes that.
Because that, right, exactly. So basically what you can say is this machine turns a plastic pellet,
Right.
rPET pellet, into preform and then blow into a finishing bottle.
That would be the finished product.
That will be finished product coming out from the from the machines.
Wow.
So we call this machine a single stage stretch blow molding machine.
Right.
Right, because
Okay.
you're doing this from preform to bottle in one shot.
Okay.
Right, so that's this machine. And then what we did is we didn't stop over there, right? This is our
It's
pad,
continuation.
right? We also add element of industrial 4.0, which is this.
Okay, moving on to this screen, Industry 4.0.
Right, so what basically what we will do is we will gather machine information and we put it on a control center. So people in the control room, they can sit down and they can know exactly what happened to the machines.
Data from assembly line input
into the control
room.
control center, right? So the boss or the operator, controller, operator. Thank you, Andy. Then we will know what's the output, the current output of the machine, how much bottle has been produced, and the cycle time of this machine. So pretty much the processing.
The recycle time is 18.98 seconds.
The cycle time, right? Wow. That means under 20 seconds.
Very good.
You are making 5 bottles every 20 seconds. That's what that means.
That's efficiency.
Right. So that translates to about just under 1,000 bottles per hour.
Okay.
Okay. So also other information such as the servo motor torque value.
Yep.
And the amperage value can also show in here. And also the blowing pressure and the barrel temperature will be shown here. So what that tells us is to melt our rPET resin,
it takes 257 degrees Celsius.
Right, to turn that into a liquid and make it into a bottle.
That's pretty warm.
Yeah, it's pretty hot actually. Okay. Oh, by the way, we put a camera system in there. You see that's taking the measurement. Okay, it's inspect the bottom area.
Oh, it's measuring.
Right. So take a picture, like as you see there. Okay.
It's dropped it. This robotic arm dropped it. That means it's passed.
Right. So the data is actually showing here. You see the photo? So
this is the data from that particular bottle that was dropped.
Right. From there. So the computer will look at the center, the circumference of the bottle, and then determine if the bottle is good or not.
Quality control.
Yeah, exactly. So that's a little bit of 4.0 integrated with rPET. altogether.
All right. Shall we move on?
Sure.
Okay. Now, moving on, ladies and gentlemen, I want to ask Tony about the industry application of SS10 RPT blow molding machine.
That's right. Let's go.
Tell us about all these wonderful industry applications.
Well, thank you, Andy. So what this bottle is all this bottle is made from using this machine. So that single stage machine is very suitable for this kind of applications, for cosmetic, or for daily use lotions, right, pharmaceuticals, or cleaning. So basically, the single stage is designed specific for high product value but low production run.
Right.
So it's flexible in that term.
I've heard industry people referring to your company as the molding magician. How did that came about? That's a good title.
Yeah, well, thank you. Yeah, thanks for noticing. First of all, the reason why is because we, Chum Power, do design and the machining of the mold all in-house. So that's why I think that's where the term comes from.
Magician.
Right, because we can turn people's thoughts into a 3D product.
Just like magic.
That's why we're magicians.
Okay. Thank you so much, Tony. Thank you very much. This is Chum Power. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I need you to scan Chum Power's QR code to get in touch with them and to visit their work site. So, that said, let us move on to our next iconic booth, FCS. Let's go. All right, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. You see the brand? The brand is FCS. This is the leading Taiwan brand, a leading injection molding machine brand. And I have right here their sales manager, wonderful, tall and handsome, Hank Wu. Hank, hello, how are you?
Hi, nice to meet you, Andy.
Same here. Tell us about your company, a brief introduction, please.
Okay. So FCS was founded in 1974.
All right.
So the size of our machines is from 30 tons to 4,000 tons. And
large machines.
Yeah, very large machines. And the main application is packaging, automotive, medical, and also the
many areas.
Many areas.
Okay.
And we have agents, 15 agents all over 21 countries to give the service to our local customers.
All over the world?
Yeah.
US, EU, Asia?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
And also, apart from Taiwan, we have a 30 branch office in China, Indonesia, Thailand, and also India.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you do a large business with many clients all over the world. Now, take us to your wonderful and big machine. It's called CTR?
Yes, correct. So let's go.
Yep. I follow you.
Okay.
All right, Hank, tell us about the CTR machine. Big machine.
Yes. Andy, I'm very glad to introduce you our CT230R. This is our fully electric machines. So the big advantage of the fully electric machine is the accuracy and also the low power consumptions.
Right.
Yeah. So the variance of the product weight is less than 0.3%.
Wow.
Yeah. And also,
that's very good.
Yeah. And also the power consumption is 30% less.
Saves electricity.
Yeah, saves electricity. And also, this is we call it a two-component molding process.
Two components molding process.
Yeah.
So this is a two-step molding process. Tell us more.
Yeah, it used to be two-step, but in these machines, we can set the two-step into one step. Yeah. So it helps.
Two-step becomes one step.
Yeah.
More
correct.
efficient.
Correct.
Saves time.
Yes, correct. 100% correct. So you can see the rotary table just rotated. So you shoot the first one on the right side and then rotate it to the second side. Yeah.
I see. Okay. So it saves time, saves electricity. Two-step into one.
Yes, correct.
Now, I believe you have a machine that especially caters for circular economy. Tell us more.
Okay, so let's go to the LM500.
LM500. It sounds very big. Let's take a look. Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, we're at LM500.
Yeah.
Tell us about all these material, virgin, regrinds, and recycled pellets.
Okay, Andy. So first I would like to introduce our LM500.
Okay.
This is two pelleter machines. we cooperate with European institutions
Right.
to develop this kind of machines. So it helps us to save the 30% footprints. So it can have the compact size, but the flexible clamping stroke.
Right, okay. Now, these materials?
Yeah, so this is the material our customer use. So this
Uh-huh.
is the virgin material. So you
Uh-huh.
can see it's very beautiful. And most of them use the regrind. So,
Right.
but this regrind did not conduct very well. So we suggest them to use this recycled pellet. Actually, if the plastic is recycled correctly, it can help our economy. It's like a
Of course. Circular economy.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, everybody likes circular economy. Everybody likes smart production. Everybody's doing Industry 4.0. Tell us about your smart production.
Okay, sure, let's go.
Okay, IMF 4.0, smart production, Industry 4.0. Tell us all about it, Hank.
Okay, so Andy, so at these shows we are demonstrating 3 machines. Yeah, 3 machines. So we move the actual situations to these panels. So as you can see, there are 3 columns.
Yes.
Okay,
FAE, LM500, CTR.
Yeah, it stands for the individual's production status. So imagine you are a top manager, but you are far away, maybe in the United States,
Right.
but you still can monitor all the situations in the individual
I see.
machines.
You could monitor it remotely.
Yeah, remotely.
From US, monitor a factory in Taiwan.
Yes, of course.
Wow.
Yeah. So you can know about the actually production and also the OEE trend and also the progress trend. Everything you can know. Yeah.
If I notice anything, Hank, what's the matter? I call you up at 2 a.m. I'm joking.
Okay. So next one, this gives you more details about the production schedules.
Uh-huh.
Like we set up the goal, 45 hours was our goal, our production goal. But you can see the green color means we achieved the goal, but the red color means we are behind the goal.
Okay, so I call you up. Hank,
Yeah,
what's the matter?
yeah.
Kidding.
Yeah, you can just by watching the
This
color.
is the goal. This is the target.
Yeah, yeah.
Green, achieve target, achieve target. This has some way to go.
Yeah, yes, correctly.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is our IM 4.0 induction.
Right.
Yeah, yes.
So this is the target, and they have achieved it, they have achieved it, they have achieved it. And this has some way to go.
Yes.
Oh, this is wonderful report. On time. Okay, thank you so much, Hank.
You're welcome. Andy.
Wonderful report, wonderful
thank you very
analysis.
much.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is FCS. If you want to contact them, scan the QR code right there. Okay, and now, please follow Andy, because I'm going to take you to our next icon booth. We call it Polystar. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, moving on, I have our next very iconic brand right here, Polystar. Very famous Taiwan plastic recycling machine brand. And I have here Chief Marketing Officer, Mr. David Loh. David, how are you?
Hi, nice to meet you.
Same here.
Yeah.
David, please introduce to our viewers, our participants, your wonderful company, Polystar. I'm
Okay.
so excited.
Yeah, so Polystar, we found in 1988. We are in the worldwide, we are the leading company in the plastic recycling solutions.
Yes.
We aim to provide the recycling make simple, this kind of core value to the global customers,
Right.
and aim to provide the high automation and high intelligence solution to our globals, the customers worldwide.
What are your main applications, David?
Okay, for these machines, it is a shredder integrated recycling machines. Basically, it can be processed like solid rigid materials like PP raffia, PP woven socks, FIBC jumbo bag, film on roll, and film scrap, this kind of the plastic waste, including the HDPE, LDPE, LLDPE, and polypropylene. So with this kind of the impact and intelligence recycling solutions, it can be enhanced the recycling efficiency and with the energy saving and to contribute the more value to the customers.
Right. Speaking of customers, I know you have a large client base all over the world. Tell us about your customer opportunities, your clients.
Okay. I think that right now we are the leading company of the recycling machine in the world. So basically, the machine has been distributed more than 110 countries in the worldwide, including in the US, in EU, in US, and Japan, and this kind of the various kinds of the plastic industry. So it would be the good opportunity to introduce this kind of advanced solution for our global customers.
Very advanced solution, very advanced indeed.
Yeah.
Now, can you share with us your core values of the company and the products and the services?
Okay.
The core values.
Okay. So this machine is, we utilize the equal energy savings, feedings technology to be able to stabilize the feeding, control, and efficiency when upon the customer, when the material feeding into the recycling machine. And also, we have developed this kind of the patents, automatic pelletizing systems. And these systems, the pelletizing plate can be automatic adjust according to the die head pressure of the pelletizing dies. So it is with the fully automatic functions.
And you have a patent?
Yes, yes, with the Taiwanese innovative patents. And the third one, I think I would like to introduce about this advanced intelligence PLC control systems. With these PLC control systems, we embedded the cloud IP monitors module, can have remote installation, and also with the on-time troubleshooting and on-time education to the customer. And it also with the data recordings, and also with the curve analysis. Yeah, so it is we can achieve the smart manufacturing to meet with the Industry 4.0 criteria.
Right, smart manufacturing, Industry 4.0. Yeah. Now, speaking of which, you provide for the customers sustainable development. And this, all in all, helps our planet Earth, helps our economy with a circular economy. Plastic recycling. Tell us more about how it helps your product, your service, how it helps circular economy, sustainable development.
I think because from the 2025, the EU's European region has regulated the environmental protection regulation to be forced. All of the plastic producer need to put about more than 30% of the recycled pellets back to their production line.
Right.
So the circular economy development has been the mainstream development in the world, in the worldwide. So we believe that we must transform the linear circular economy to the circular economy.
Right, from linear to circular.
Yes.
This is the trend. This is the way everyone has to go.
Yeah. So it is also the stand for the we have to take more responsibility to the green environmental protection and to the next generation. So it would be also related to the our ESG developments.
ESG. Environmental, sustainability, and governance. Everybody's talking about that. So, David, let's talk more about ESG, what your company does for ESG.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's follow David.
Yeah, Andy?
Yes.
All
these are for ESG?
Yeah, let me give you an example. Yeah, this is the LDPE stretch film waste. Yeah, so it can put into our recycling machine.
Right.
Then it can convert into this kind of high quality of recycled pellets.
Waste becomes recycled raw material.
Exactly. And these kind of recycled pellets can be reused back to their production line and to create the high value, added value of the circular economy.
Right. So, and these products are right over here.
Yeah. Let's go for this kind of the example. So this time, we cooperated with the FCS, the Taiwan very famous injection molding machine manufacturers. So basically, you can see we use this kind of regrind crush from their customers, and then they can using their injection molding machines and to reproduce this kind of reproduction products.
Wonderful.
Yeah. For example, this is the 20% of the recycled material.
20%.
And this is the 50% of the with the recycled material.
50% recycled.
Yeah, and this is the 100%, totally
Wow.
100%.
100% recycled.
Yeah. So that is still the very solid and very strong. Yeah,
They feel the same.
Yeah, it can save the virgin material purchasing cost.
Right.
Yeah, and create more value for the customer.
Okay. David, thank you so much for introducing Polystar and their wonderful service and product to us. Scan the QR code to contact Polystar.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, David. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, now let's go on to our next wonderful icon booth. So please follow Andy. We're going to Yoke. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, coming to our last stop. This is Yoke. Wow, look at this. They're providing lifting solutions for heavy machines and large size mode. And we have right here a beautiful lady. This is Mandy Lau, our marketing executive of Yoke. Tell us about your company. Your company has 37 years of history and it is still growing on strong. Why is that?
Our president, Stephen Hong, always reminds us that solving problem and creating the value for customers is always our top mission. And that's why we keep producing the safety components. And also, we have manufacturer like Take for Safety. This Take for Safety has been produced since 2018.
So you have a wonderful slogan which you really put into use. Tech for Safety. Tell us more about Tech for Safety.
You know, see, let's look at this. This is our first product that put into the digital chip in. And this is our digital lifting product. Our digital lifting product not only can rotate and turn 360 degrees, and also it can be done like pre-use check before doing a lift.
Okay, before the lift, you have to do pre-use check.
Yeah.
Let's do that.
Yeah. This is our mission in this trade show also, right?
Yep.
So if we go to this app, it's called Reconnect App, and we can sign as a guest. And let's just sign as a guest and scan. And then let's tap our, this is the mobile and this is iPhone. So the NFC is on the side of the iPhone. So let's touch the NFC to the lifting point, and then we can see like the manufacturer brand here and the serial number and the item number. Also, how's the working note of that. Also, we have the manufacturing date. We have the certification to each product. So if we just tap into here, we will see all the testing report here.
Wow.
Also, we have an instruction guide. So we can see the safe instructions here in every language. So if we go back to here, we can also do a pre-use check. Like many of our customers, they come to us and they will ask, hey, we want to do a pre-use check of the lifting point, but what's the questionnaire? What's the questions we should do before doing that? Then we will know that if we go to pre-use check, we have many questions. And these questions are done like accordingly to the EN standard. So we will have like 13 questions you can do accordingly. Then you will know, okay, so the lifting product, the lifting point status is good. Yeah.
And they come with each in different languages.
Yeah. We have like more than 40 languages in this app.
Okay.
Yeah.
So your products gets to be used all over the world. Now, does all of the lifting points, do they come with blue chips?
Yeah, for the moment, all our lifting points, they are all equipped with we call this digital chip, and they are set as a standard product for now. Yeah, and apart from the blue chips, we also have like this. This is called Suprotec. It's the other kind of the digital chip we can use, and they can be like bind with the machinery or the equipment you want to manage.
Right.
Yeah, it's like an digital identification.
Ah,
yeah.
Digital identification.
Yeah.
Now you have so many wonderful products. Some of your lifting products, they have won Taiwan Excellence 2021.
Yeah.
Tell us about them.
Yeah, okay. So this...
Ooh, very heavy. Do you need help?
No, I'm fine. So this is the awarded Taiwan... It's in 2020, right? So this...
Anyways, it's got Taiwan Excellence Award.
Yeah, this is our Grade 100 iGrip Safe Locking Hook. And it features by this wider hand grip space, and it allows the safety gloves to allocate into this. So it's easy and lightweight, and it can be just take by one hand to use.
You're a very strong lady.
Yeah. Apart from, so we can see all the lifting equipment in the factory, and this is just one of that. And this can also be used on the plastic injection machine.
Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you need to contact Yoke, all you have to do is scan the QR code. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that about wraps up our webinar. Thank you so much for your participation, and I hope you've gained a better understanding of our Taiwan's plastic processing solutions. Now, for TaipeiPLAS 2022, which is from September the 27th until October the 27th, an online exhibition, please scan the QR code. And we have 300 companies with wonderful products and solutions. Now, I also need your feedback. So, scan the QR code for the questionnaire and please give us your feedback. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. This is Andy Lee, and we'll see you next time.